Hello everyone, so in today's video we are going to know about link. Let's press A first, then read all this. Then shift plus A, then edge and cube and add another mesh or another shape we can add or same shape we can also add. Okay. Now what I want this cube to be like this. That if I modify this sphere, the modified things should be applied on this cube too. So what I will do, I will select first cube, then I will select sphere, then I will press Ctrl L, then I will link object data. As you can see, now the data has been linked. If I move, as you can see, I am moving the face of sphere. If I will move here the face of sphere, the same changes will be done on the cube. Okay, so let's move toward another option. Let me see this, or we can see say undo this. Okay, now we will discuss about material. First let me assign the cube and material. Okay, let me show you this. As you can see now, the cube have this type of material, but suppose you have shaded your object. Now you want exactly same shade on another object. So what you will do, you will manually select this. No, you can do this. First select the object on which you want to apply that thing, then select the second thing which material you want to be transferred, then press Ctrl L stands for linked, then we will press link material. Now you can see, and there's a one more thing, that the changes you will make here, you will easily see the same changes happening on the sphere. Okay, so this is the thing, or you can manually do the same thing, like you can select what the name is of shape is square, or we can see say cube, then you will press here, then material 001. There same thing will be done, as you can see. Okay, now let's do something else. Okay, let me undo this all, then we will discuss about the very next thing. Okay, so let's see. So what we will learn now, the animation data. So for that I will create a little animation. Okay, a square type animation. What I'm saying, you will understand it. First, at one frame, press I, then move the frame to 20, and now the turn is of moving sphere. Okay, now we'll move it in x direction 3, or we can do, let's see, in x we will move 32. Okay, as you can see, I have moved this. Now I will press I, then we will move 20 frames ahead at 40. This was on 20, so we will move on 40. Now here we will do the same thing. We will press G, then Z, then 32 here, then I'll press I, then again we will go to 60, frame 60, then we will do again the same thing but in minus. Okay, so what we can do, we can just, as you can see, this is the thing. This is the animation we have made so far. Now we will animate this on frame number frame number 60. Okay, now I will press I, then we will move to 80, then I will press G, Z, and minus 32. Okay, so our animation has been done. You can see the animation. Now I have created the animation, and what I want, the cube should follow this animation. For this exactly I will not animate this again and again. So what I will do, what I can do, I will select first cube, then sphere on which I have done animation, then I will press Ctrl L, then I will press link animation data. Okay, now you might be thinking where the sphere is. I will tell you in a second, but let's see the animation. As you can see, the cube or sphere is following exactly the same path which we assigned to sphere. Okay, so you might be thinking where the cube is. Let me show you the magic. I'll press first, I will select the box, then I will press H. Here it is, the sphere. Actually, I hide the object. Hide the cube, which was at the top of sphere, and it is right now also on the top of sphere. So that's why we were unable to see the object. Okay, so there's no need to be worried about. Okay, now we will move on other thing, link collection. Okay, this is helpful when you are making an extreme big project and you have organized it in different collections. But what you want multiple objects that are related to that model in an collection and the others one in another collection. So here we will use, let me tell you, I will delete all the keyframes here first. Here too I will delete 3. Now what we will do, we will add another icosphere, or we can say another shape. Here I will create new collections, then I will move the sphere in collection number 2. Then what we can do, the collection of cube is this. What I want this cube and this sphere should be in the collection of cube. So what I will do, I will press cube first, then I will press icosphere first, then at last we will press sphere. Here we will press again Control plus L, and we will select collections. Boom, you can see the objects have been moved in collection number 2. Okay, so that was the thing. Now let's move ahead. Link instances of collection. This is not useful for yet, so we are not going to discuss it, but later we will discuss it, or you might be watching in another video where I might be using this. Okay, so there's no need to worry about. So there, the next thing is link fonts to text and copy modifier. Okay, so for that, for understanding this, we will add text here, and we will add another text. You might be thinking, where is the text which we added secondly? Actually it is here. Actually they were placed at the top of each other. As we can say, the text number 1 was placed at the bottom of the text number, or the bottom of text, and text 1 was placed at the top of text, as we can say that. So now we will press F to enter in edit mode, then we will go to font, then we will change here and font, then we'll do the same thing with our text. Okay, so we can also customize this as I'm writing subscribe. Okay, we can customize this. Now what I want this font in the text font. Okay, so what I will do, I will select the text first, then I will press subscribe, then I will press Control plus L, then I will press links fonts to text. As you can see, this is the same font which we were using there. I can make you watch the name. It is Comic Sans. Here it is also Comic Sans. Okay, so I hope that your doubt has been cleared, that is it really working or not. Okay, so now the last thing we are going to discuss is, for that we will add some objects. What we will add a cube and cone. I think the 2 objects will be enough. Okay, so on cone, now we will add and modify subdivision surface and add its level in viewport and red. As you can see, now it has taken the shape like something like drop. Okay, so that would be enough, I think. So now what I want, the modifiers all are here, which I can see should not be applied. Okay, which I am able to see here. I want all these modifiers to be shifted or pasted to another. So what we can do, we can do the same thing. I'll press Q first, then cone, then we will go to Control plus N, then copy modifiers we can press, and here you will see the same thing would happen. Okay, and it works with everything. If you want to do this with boolean, you can do. If you want to do this with screw modifier, you can do. Every modifier with you can do. Okay, so I hope that in today's video you like this, in today's video you learned something. If you learned something, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video. Bye bye, we will meet in another video soon. Bye bye.